Hello everyone. Today we will see two questions. Let's see, these questions are very important. First one is x raised to power x plus 9 raised to power x plus 9 raised to power x equal to 1 by 243. Then find the value of x. How we will solve this question? We will take 9 raised to power x whole as y. Y same, this will become y, then this will also become y. When we will solve this, if these three variables are given, then how we will do? 3y, y plus y equal to 3y. Now we will return the value of y. We have taken x equal to 9 raised to power x, ये हमने लेट किया था. Then 3y will be equal to 1 by 243. After returning the value of y, we will get 3 into 9 raised to power x, that is equal to 1 by 243. Then we will see how we can write 243 in exponential form. 243, 3 8s the 3 1s the 3 2s the 3 7s the 3 9s the 3 3s the 3 1s the. Now we will see factors that can be written as 3 raised to power 5. 240 can be written as 3 raised to power 5 and 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2. 3 into 3 raised to power 2 and whole raised to power x, that is equal to 1 by 3 raised to power 5. Then if there is power of power, then we will multiply powers. So 2 into x, 3 into 3 raised to power 2x, and इसकी कुछ भी पावर नहीं है, मीन्स दिस इज 3 raised to power 1. दैट विल बी इक्वल टू, अगर हमें इसको न्यूमरेटर में नोट करना हो, देन पावर ऑफ दिस नंबर विल चेंज. यहाँ पे प्लस है तो ये क्या हो जाएगी? माइनस 3 raised to power माइनस 5. दिस कैन बी रिटर्न एज, अगर बेस सेम है पावर्स ऐड हो जाएगी, 3 raised to power 1 plus 2x, दैट इज इक्वल टू 3 raised to power माइनस 5. नाउ अगर बेस सेम होता है, बीच में इक्वल टू है, देन पावर्स भी इक्वल होती है. 1 plus 2x इक्वल टू माइनस 5. 2x will be equal to minus 5. We will transpose 1, then it will become minus 1. 2x equal to minus 6. X will be equal to minus 6 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 3. Value of x is equal to minus 3. This is our answer. Now second question is, if 64 be equal to b raised to power 4, then find b square. So we will solve this. 64b equal to b raised to power 4. This is given. b is multiplied by 64. So on transposing it will become b raised to power 4 divided by b. 64 equal to b raised to power 4 by b. यहाँ पे इसकी पावर कुछ नहीं, मीन्स दैट इज 1. b raised to power 4, b raised to power 1. 64 will be equal to b raised to power 4. अगर डिवाइड में होता है तो पावर माइनस हो जाती है, माइनस 1. 64 इक्वल टू b raised to power 3. Now we will factorize 64. 2 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. 2 3s 2 2s, अगेन 2 से 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 1s. 2 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5 6. 64 can be written as 2 raised to power 6, that is equal to b raised to power 3. Now we have to find out value of b square, and b cube is given. So what we will do, we will take cube root on both sides. This is cube root. यहाँ पे हम क्या नोट करेंगे? टेकिंग cube root on both sides. Cube root means 1 by 3 power. Okay, square root means 1 by 2 power. तो इसको जब हम करेंगे 2 raised to power 6 that can be also written as 1/3. अब अगर ऐसे होता है तो इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, ये पार की पार है तो ये मल्टीप्लाई मैंने ऑलरेडी लिख दिया इसमें, 3 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू, सेम इसमें करेंगे इंटू 1/3, जब हम पार करेंगे 3 से 3 कैंसिल, दैट इज b, 2 raised to power 2 that is equal to b, means value of b is 4, 2 into 2 that is value of b equal to 4, and we have to find out b square. Now we can find out taking square on both side, that will be equal to, यहाँ पे आप नोट कर दो कि taking square on both side, then b square will be equal to 4 square is, that is 4 into 4 16. Okay, this is our answer. This is your homework, you will find it in your homework, and after that comment your answer in comment box. Okay, thank you.